Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another video. Guys, today's video is how I developed the confidence in sewing for my clients. Not just sewing, but sewing for my clients. You know, there are two differences between sewing for yourself and sewing for family members and sewing for a client. Family members, you can sew for them and every minute you're taking it one place or the other. Or even for yourself, you are making it, you have amended it for like 10 times. So there is a difference between making clothes for clients. I know I have somebody that told me she knows how to make clothes, but she can never make any clothes for any clients. And I'm like, you have not started. You're just what would I call, you know, this, what did I call mothers that, you know, they know how to use machines and they can sew for themselves. There's a difference between that and somebody and a designer. Let me put it that way. Yes. And I'm so happy I asked you guys in the comment section in my community how many people, if you guys want me to share my experience, how I overcame the fear to sew for my clients. Okay, I'll first of all give you a little background. So I'm going to be telling you guys a little story how I started and, you know, how I came to this point. Good. So I actually trained in Kenya. That's a story for another day why I studied in Kenya, not in Nigeria, because I'm actually in Nigeria now. Yeah, so I went to Kenya, studied, but when I left to train, I just stayed for like 2 weeks and I got a call, family issues and all that. I came back, you know. So that period when I came back, the urge was already there. The urge to sew was already there. And I couldn't, I was just battling. I didn't know what to do and all that. And a lot of people knew that I left to go and learn how to sew, only for me to come back suddenly. And, you know, so I started battling. First of all, then I used to have a salon. So then I changed it to sewing. So the battle started. You know, it's still the same office. So the people that came for their hair, that will come for their hair, or because I was selling Mary Kay products then, they will come and they will see me, they will see machines there and they're like, oh, you now sew. Can you sew this for me? Can you sew that? And I'm like, oh my God, 2 weeks. So I had to call in my sister, my elder sister. She knows how to sew. But her sewing is that sewing that she sews for family members. Oh my God. Oh, this story, somebody needs to hear it. In fact, Omaumi needs to hear this story. So, apart from the people coming, my clients that, you know, for my beauty salon that were coming, that period was when they had, what's this challenge Omaumi went for? The one that this guy won, what's it called? Oh my goodness. Omaomi, anyway, Omaomi, there was this Nigerians dance, or it's not dance, it's sing. Because Omaomi, it was, I can't remember the name. So they won and they came to Abuja, Nigeria, and the hotel they lodged is where my office was. Oh my God. You know, guys, Omaomi likes to wear very short and bustier kind of dresses. Then I don't know, I don't even, for now I don't know how she dresses now, but that was her kind of dressing then. So she just walked in the hotel that she was lodged in. They had a fashion house, so she just rushed in. You know, somebody that just came back, she's the first runner up. She just wanted to, you know, the hype was there and everything, so she needed me to make some clothes. Oh my God. I took the clothes. I know what she wants. I know how to achieve it. But the fear to face if I shouldn't spoil her fabrics and all that. Oh my God. And I told my elder sister to just, oh, sis, don't be angry, but you know, sometimes you have to tell some stories. So I told my elder sister, let's make this for this lady. If we can be able to make this, I mean, Omaomi, a lot of people will know. People will start coming for us. This one, that one. Let's make these clothes. Oh my God. I can assist you. I don't know how to do some, but I can assist you. I have the idea. It's a bustier dress. So, and the lower part is it's just a mini dress. Oh my God. Oh, mommy, people watch this video. Oh God. If you remember the lady in the hotel where you guys lodged in, the first hotel, because right from the airport, they came straight to that hotel. So if you remember that hotel and the lady that made that your clothes, those your clothes, I am the one. Oh my God, guys. So, long story short, we took the dress, we took the materials and she added, she wanted to know if we could do it. If we could do it, she would give us more. So I did one, and myself, I knew that that clothes wasn't properly done. So I was feeling so bad and all that. I have lost one opportunity that I would have been blown, you know. But it's okay. We're here. Life still goes on. So the whole story short, we messed up the clothes. The bodies is the bodies that I want, but you need to work on your contouring the clothes, knowing how to go about your diet, what to take off and what to bring in, and all those small things are the things we couldn't do. So the bustier was bustier, but it wasn't as close to the body as it needed to be, as it needed to be contoured. The bustier needs to stand. The waistline needs to be, you know, Oma Omi now, she likes, you know, oh my God, I don't want to remember that. So we lost it. She left the hotel, and you know, from henceforth I started battling, and I quarreled with my sister anyways. But that was how I started. So I now started with, I will lock up the shop. Although the door was a glass door, but I will lock up the shop with a lot of pattern paper all over the place. I would cut and sew, and check it on my body, and I kept doing that. Remember, it was just 2 weeks of training. But thank God I got a very nice background. So I was doing that while I was waiting for me to go back to finish up my studies. So then what I do is get a lot of fabrics and just work on it. So guys, at this with this small story, I will now, you know, take you guys through how and what I am going to be tabulating it, so that you know the things to do to give you that confidence that you need to sew. A lot of people are battling through the fear of, it's not only sewing, the fear of, like me, I battled the fear of facing this camera that I'm facing now. How am I going to, are they going to like the video? My English, is it going to be okay? This one, that one. So, you know, a lot of things that you will battle. So if that's what you want to know, just, it might be the terms and whatever, but it's the same thing. It's general with anybody, whatever you are doing, how you're going to battle the fear with that. Oh, not said. I need to start going into this. You know, the first thing you have to know is how to analyze your clothes. When you're done learning how to sew, that if you have gone to a fashion house, or even if you started on YouTube, wherever you started, you should be able to know how to analyze the clothes. If a client gives you a clothes, first of all, number one, you analyze the neckline. What neckline is this? Is it a V neckline? Is this a round neckline? Is this, you need to just know what that neckline is. That's number one. Number two, you need to know the waistline. If this is an umpire waistline, just below your bust, or is a waistline, it has a cut on the waist, or, you know, you need to just know those cuts. Also, you need to know, if you should be able to know how gathers falls and how flares, circles, how they fall on fabrics. So let's say like what I'm wearing now, you should be able to know how, if this, what I have here, if is a gathered or if it's a flare, you should be able to have an idea how flares falls and how gathers falls. So that way, when you see a dress, you should be able to know if this is a flare or if it's gathered. And those principles will help you, you know, by the time you're analyzing these things, you're already having an idea how that clothes and how that clothes was made. By the way, I know somebody is already admiring this top that I'm wearing. I can understand you. I also am in the same boat. This top is everything, guys. I love this. I love this. It's my new year top. I will have it in a dress, in a crop top, in whatever. I know somebody is like, have you shared the video? Yes, I have the video on my channel. It's a milkmaid top. I'll be linking that up here, and I will drop that in the description section. And maybe for those people that don't actually go to my description section, I'm also going to share it on my comment section, so you guys can go ahead and watch how to make this. I would have dashed you, I would have given you, but you're a designer. If you're not a designer, you're watching this video, if you want this stuff, tell me, I'll send it to you. Okay guys, so number 2, type of fabric. You should be able to, when a client gives you a picture of what they want, you should be able to look at it and know this is a cotton fabric, or this is a satin fabric, or this is a Ankara fabric, whatever. Because there is a difference between when like this crop top I'm wearing, if I make it with satin, the way you are seeing it is not the same way it's going to be. So you should make sure, I have a lot of clients, they would bring pictures of a lace design, a cloth that has been made with lace, and they want you to make it with ordinary satin or even chiffon, and you're like, oh my god, it will never come out the same way. In fact, let me even bust your brain. You can also bring, like, this is cotton, and you bring cotton, and the print is not the same thing with what the person is wearing, what you have on the picture. After making it, you have gotten everything right, but it will somehow not look like what the person brought, because the print needs to also look like that print. So assuming that a client brought this and they brought fabrics for me to make for them, I would start looking for the fabric that looks like what they have in the picture, so that by the time I'm done, making it, visualizing it, they will still see that same design in what I have made. I hope you guys understand. So you have to be careful. The picture, when they bring, it's not everything that they bring and tell you. You should be able to stand your grounds and tell your clients, no, this can't make this. If you insist, this is how it's going to look. Do you get? This is how it's going to look. So they don't force you to make something that they will come back and, bounce on you. Yeah, some clients can actually bounce on you. Some clients, from their house, they won't even fight. Oh my god. Oh, if you have experienced such clients, drop that in the comment section. Some clients will come from their house. As they're entering, they have not tried the clothes, they have not worn it, they just pick it up. Oh, this is not what I made, this is not what I asked you to make. And I'm like, I'll be calm, and I'm like, please, can you wear it? Can you wear it? Just wear it. And with that calmness of saying, can you wear it, you keep saying wear it. When they now finally wear it, they'll start dragging it. Oh, this place is not, the hand is not, because they have seen that is what you made, that you got it, and they'll just be dragging it. Such clients, do you know what I do to them? They will tell me, I will say, I will amend it, because I have seen and I know that what you're wearing is okay. What I will do to you, I'm sorry, but that's what I do most times. Because I already know that those kind of clients, when you see them, just watch them. From today, start watching them. When they walk in, they have not worn the clothes. They just put it up on the table and they start complaining. Those people, be careful with them. So what I usually do is, when you give me that clothes and tell me, amend this place, make sure you just hold, just pack it here. Or I will tell you, okay. When you leave, I will gingerly pack the clothes very well and wait for you to come back for it. You will see them, they will come back. 99% of all this thing I'm telling you is the truth. They will come back, they will wear it. Because they have gone back home and they know that that cloth is perfect. But because of ego, they don't know how to go about it. So they'll be like, it's better now. See it now. They'll be dancing. Oh my God. Guys, hi, this is our job, no day is you. So, remember to drop in the comment section if you have this kind of client. So you should be able to know the type of fabric. Stand on your feet. It's not everything you would take from your clients. Number three. I never joke with this number 3. I don't joke with it. Up to date. Practice. Guys, you need to, don't ever stop practicing. Even as I'm telling you, this milkmaid, I didn't learn it on YouTube. I did not learn it from my teacher. I did not learn it from anywhere. All I knew was the principles of gathers, the principles of contouring, the principles of everything. And I looked at the picture and I'm like, this is this is that, this is this. And I was able to practice. I just took one of. If you're good with practicing, you will just make a very few mistakes, and you're good. Very simple mistakes that you make. Maybe is 1 inch loose, or is a bit tight, or something like that. So what I was doing those times that I will tell you, I would take fabrics and cut. After I came back, what I was doing was I would go online before even a client brings any clothes to me. I have already gone ahead to check trending designs, and I would, start making them to see if I'm able to, get that. Do you get? So I don't wait for my clients to come. I actually start practicing before I even get any clients. So sometimes when they already came, sometimes when they come, I've already practiced how to make that particular one. So there is something you need to get, which is I hope you guys knew when I unboxed this. Did I unbox it on this channel or on my other channel? I think I unboxed it on this channel. So you have to get, at least you get this. During my own time, it was just recently I got this. So all this while I use fabric, a lot of fabric. I waste a lot of fabric and use it. I can waste 6 years practicing. Yes, I have to tell you the truth. Yes. So and that's how I got into ready to wear. So I would practice. Sometimes I would get it, and I don't want to wear that particular clothes. So what I would do, I would sell it off. So that was how I started with ready to wear, because I have a lot of clothes and I cannot wear them. I will make them, and most times I dash them out. Sometimes the clothes I want to make, I want to try out so you make sure you practice and practice. I lost some clips. I thought I was recorded. Oh my God, this struggle is real. I have already finished and this thing wasn't recorded. It's okay. So you just keep practicing and practicing. Is it number 5 or number 4? 4, you need to know the terminologies that that is needed. Whether you're a computer scientist, an engineer, whatever you are in, you need to know the terminologies to use. Like, you should be able to know that this neckline is what neckline is this now? I give you that as an assignment. Tell me what this neckline is. So you should be able to know if it's a bustier, if it's alter neckline, if it's whatever. You should be able to know that. That way you can easily come on YouTube or on Google and search for that. Another way to learn that is by checking the titles some YouTube content creators are using. That way you will know the right names to search for. So you should be able to know your strengths and work with your strengths. Guys, with this, we have come to the end of today's video. Let me know in the comment section which part and what you battle with when it comes to your sewing niche. Okay guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell. If this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell icon so you become part of this family. Well, this struggle is real. Yeah, guys. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always dropping your comments. Do drop more and let's build this community. We are growing. Please, let's grow more of those comments. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.